tere somala ni akarzo ani tere ngatu de la lingi pigo de karire lana ani jarumbuchi la ani chimishine de sola ani ngatu ge ani media do ani de ga jano marshal jong da so do chak de yori de jidu tambala ni de la ani ngatu ja yimje nori nyam do ngatu use ani choron sugi chimishia de samjak jagu use ani ngatu world media de sugi nivarto jarumbuchila ani gondak shigu use ani media de sugi ani zima de su desolen de nguni de we don't jagu use de that's chidani ngatu de la teri lingi pe go ya go jimse de re chigni jarumbuchi pola pep go use Consulate pasa pa la pep go use ani ngatu pola rongo go use o de chidani ngatu de la ngatu ge daw jano marso jangsam khola ani ngatu lingi pe go so de yin ani this de na ani dinola ani ngatu ge lingi pe de toronto ge ani Lhakar ko free Tibet movement ngatu po the Lhakar ko porong ge tapsu ge lingi pe ge ore ani de dina inji ge chimila mo ke je shikare am chimila
Dishtale, greetings everyone. I'm Chimilamo, a Tibetan. After our peace marches around the world where we showcased the truth, shared our culture of peace, love, and compassion to the world, I'm here outside of the Chinese Consulate with my people. Just as we have for years now, every Wednesday with our loud voices and chants to hold this Chinese government accountable and to remind the world of their illegal occupation of our homeland and the ongoing genocide of our people in Tibet. We're gathered here yet again because amidst all this internet craze lately, we know who is truly responsible for resurfacing an edited, spliced clip, an attempt to defame His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama by weaponizing the Western world's trauma to benefit their agenda. For decades now, the Chinese government has failed in their millions of attempts to delegitimize His Holiness and make their historical claim over our country, Tibet. Do you know why? Because when it comes to an independent Tibet, that is in every way, be it language, culture, or way of life, all of it is completely separate as a nation from China. Hence, we have, and we will always have this truth on our side. Hey CCP, we know your role in this. Just like how we expose the truth about our kids, young as 4 and 5-year-olds, that are being separated from their families, your insidious colonial state-run boarding schools. We will expose all of your tactics about your Chinese police stations here, your long-arm tactics, your attempts to silence us even in exile is not going to work. Your attempts to shake the faith and devotion of Tibetans inside of Tibet by reopening the web after decades to look up His Holiness's name regarding this news has only backfired. Our faith in the Sun, the great 14th Dalai Lama, the Buddha of compassion, our Father, is unshakable. Even your own citizens are now drawn to learning about His Holiness the Dalai Lama and understanding why he's so special. And regarding the narrative, although slow, yet a turnaround of the sensational news, as the world learns about what limitless, boundless compassion actually looks like. As the world gets an opportunity to put into practice the very teachings of our Guru, that is, attaining wisdom by clearing our ignorance, to experience love, and to feel compassion towards others. And now, to the world who think they're the only world, there's a saying, do not let others ruin your peace of mind. And we Tibetans have been hard at it especially this past week. For you, the so-called world, have been used and milked by the vicious Chinese conspiracies to not only rush to judge, but also legitimize the annihilation of our nation, the stealing of our children, 80% of them, and the ongoing genocide of our people. Without even basic research or an attempt to listen to a Tibetan who have been on survival mode for 3 generations of being stateless in this world, who have not even an ounce of their cultural oral traditions written down in academic materials, you forced us. You forced us to defend ourselves for being a Tibetan. For simply being a Tibetan while you return to your mindfulness meditation app that is co-opted from our culture when you're acutely stressed. However, our culture teaches us to be kind, especially in the face of hardships. That's why we're resilient. His Holiness says, the more you are driven by love, the more fearless and free your actions will be. Hence, you'll see us survive, thrive, and very soon return to our own homelands, where we will invite you as our guests, so you too can breathe our fresh air. And first of all, greet you with our tongues. Show you our yaks. Share our Soaripa traditional medicines that, of course, don't have side effects. Serve you some warm puja, a Tibetan traditional tea made with butter and salt to warm you up. And finally, wish you farewell with a traditional utu, where our foreheads meet to pass on our good luck and share them with you. With much love, a Tibetan. For as the Buddha has said, 3 things cannot be long hidden. That is the sun, the moon, and the truth. Yes. Pegalo! 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 Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Long live! Long live! Long live! China out of Tibet now! 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 Long live! Love and peace! It's our culture! 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 Long live! Long live! Long live! Thank you.
CCP propaganda! Stop! Stop! CCP propaganda! Stop! Stop! CCP propaganda! Shame! All media! Shame! Shame! All media! Shame! Shame! All media! Stop spreading! Fake news! Stop spreading! Fake news! Love and peace is our culture! Love and peace! Dalai Lama! Tell the truth! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Media! Media! Tell the truth! Long live Dalai Lama! No! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Peggy Dokpo! Peggy Dokpo! Peggy! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Stop the killing! Tibet! Stop the genocide! Tibet! Stop the torture! Tibet! Stop the torture! Media! 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 Long live! Tibet belongs to Tibet! Stop the genocide! Tibet! Stop the killing! Tibet! Stop the torture! China out of Tibet now! 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 China, China, China! You stop spreading! Fake news! Stop spreading! Fake news! Stop spreading! Fake news! Love and peace!
It's our calling Tibet.
China out!
Long live
Dalai Lama!
Potalo.
Potalo!
Potalo.
Potalo!
What to deny since checkmate.
Potalo!
한참을 특지체 안дел라 몽고페이션 참말라 가든체 스무데데라 참말라 특지체
아까 쇼게 자주 개번에 주어보도 돼 자전대 유 안에 뒤도 잡지도 당게 신호 조종에 대단하게 시도도네 제마사 하나는 공다 자주 시베도 왔다 또 데리고 온다 아 월시 조종에 아 강조 전대내가 주된 것 시간에 도대 제가 보돌라 아 바체람사다 배도고로 사야리샤 뒤다 잡지도 고시에 조종에 다들 마이크 시스템 야고나서 다가나 시기 신호 조종 선제소는 나네 마이크 소리 나봐도 도중체 시기 아니 보고 들어가네 잡나서 플레이가 타발로 가게 놀라